guys, welcome back to Talk Automotive, the channel from a car lover to car lovers. As you can tell, today we're on our way to pick up some products for the car. So you may have heard at the end of the last video, if you watched it, that there was a little cheeky drop on the carbon wing mirrors. We're actually going to go and pick those up today. So I'm just on my way down to Uttoxeter now. It's about an hour drive from where I live. And I'm going to be picking them up, social distancing, and we'll be staying safe. We've got some gloves and some disinfectant, so yeah, I'm just going to be picking them up and then we'll head back up. We've got a few more little bits to do to the car, no major modifications, just new indicators, a couple of new carbon bits for the car, a couple of new decals. We'll get them on, and today will be a bit of a fun video, nothing too serious, and hopefully you'll enjoy it. Massive shout out to Ron for the carbon mirror caps. Really happy with them. He wanted the black gloss and I wanted the carbon, so we just did a swap that was really cool. So hope you've seen them on the car now. Sorry I didn't get any video of us installing them. As you can see, it absolutely chucked it down as we were doing it, so that was brilliant. Really simple though. A little bit of tape. I just put a bit of masking tape along the lip and a little bit of masking tape on the actual mirror cap, and then got a trim tool, and then literally just lever it and pop them off, and then they slide off. You can actually just grab them and pull them off. I've seen some videos of people doing that, but we went for that method and it works. So everything's happy, everyone's happy, everything's sorted. So we'll head back now, do the other modifications that we got to do to the car, just a little bit of interior exterior trim, and then we need to get this car washed because it's absolutely filthy. As you can see, it's a new day. Didn't get finished yesterday. The day ran away with me, so back here now. We've got the lower grille inserts to put in, carbon mirrors looking good, and then we've got the new indicators and side scuttle decals to put on. So we'll do that now. So with the indicator, all you've got to do, get a trim tool or something similar, put it down the back, just prise the indicator away. Need some new trim tools. And pops off like that. Just take your indicator out. So to remove the old one, we just we turn this bit here. I would say will be anti-clockwise, 90 degrees, and then pop it out. The bulb out, and the new one slides straight in there. So I'll just show you that now. So you just pop the bulb out like so. And the new connector is in there, just clips straight in. Like so. It's simple. And there we go. So it clips into where the bulb used to be. We've just come to inside the car as it's a bit windy. I'm going to reuse the old John Cooper Works inserts for the side scuttles, so you can get them with changeable centers. You can get the John Cooper Works Pro ones, the mini bits guys have got. I'm just gonna stick with the old ones. I just like a little bit of contrast there with the John Cooper Works logo. So to get that out, all we have to do is pop these four black clips at the back, 1, 2, 3, 4. Push them out, and then we can insert that into the side scuttle before we reassemble it back in the car. Dead simple little install. that these brake duct covers are. Really easy, 3M tape on the back, pull that off, stick it on, obviously make sure it's all cleaned up, but you can see there on either side, I just think the red looks sets off everything so much better. So I'll just put the other one on now, and then we'll do the inside door latches. So just got the cover latches for the interior, obviously going carbon everywhere else, so with the new movement on the interior with carbon, so got these in carbon, dead simple. Take off the sticky tape on this side. If you're like me and got no nails, you might need a little screwdriver. If you've got no nails, you might need a little screwdriver just to get the tape off. Because I have no nails. Got that one. And then the only thing I would say is make sure you check which side is which before you take the plastic off. You want it to be the mini badge sort of set up with the narrowest side on the inside. Take that over, cover it up, line it up, push that on. I think it's just these little touches that, yeah, you're probably never going to see it, but I will, and so therefore I've done it. Yeah, there we go, before and after. Let me know what you think. Great news, that's all done, and I hope you like the look of what we've done to the JCW. Definitely add something to the front and to the side with the new parts. So that's it for this episode. In the next, you'll see the car clean, most definitely. But until then, stay safe. Peace.